High today is 92 degrees. It's crazy. Okay, let's see if we can get on DoorDash this early. I don't know if I can or not, but I'm going to get ready. Nope. I don't schedule myself, and see, Corpus doesn't have any red. They are busy northwest of us, like already 7:30 in the morning. So it looks like they're busy in Bluntzer, Robstown, and Odom, not in Corpus right now. So I'm going to keep trying, but I'm going to get dressed and get in my car, get ready. That's bright. Okay, let's get up. Okay, let's go. See if we can get on now. Hopefully we can. Let's do this. Okay, so day 3, and let's get this going. Can't as of right now get on, but we will try. Okay, we will try. We will keep trying to get on. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe the slots have already been taken. But what I need to do is wake up like at 3 o'clock in the morning and get on a schedule, maybe. I'm not for sure what I need to do to schedule it, because if I schedule it now, it'd be all the way till in the morning, wee hours of the morning. I don't want to work wee hours of the morning. I don't even want to work after 8 o'clock. Okay, we'll keep trying. We'll just see what happens. Maybe I can catch it. But it says we're not busy right now, so that's kind of unusual not to be busy. But they did say that summer hours are the worst. The summer season is the worst because everybody just stays home and cooks and teaches their kids to cook. So we'll see. You know, I might be back here at home, and it looks like it's gonna rain. Okay, so so it ended up being a wet and rainy day. It's just really, I don't know, it's kind of weird because that side is kind of cloudy, and this is what the other side looks like. I'm gonna stop here in a minute. It's already trying to stop. You can kind of hear it. It's trying to stop. Oh, I'm on. We'll just sit here for a little while, wait. Somebody parked right behind me. It's crazy. It's nice and cool today, though. It's not 92, that's for sure. See, that squall just went right over us. No biggie. Okay, we got one. We got an order, and we are going to Mickey D's. Let's go pick up at Mickey D's. Mickey D's it is. I just don't know which one. Turn right. Okay, I gotta go up here and turn right. Let's go up here and turn right. Okay, rain's still coming down. We are going to Mickey D's. I hope I'm going the right way. I have no idea. No idea. Directions. Let's see.
Drive southeast on McCardle Road.
So you gotta
in 400 feet, turn right onto South Staples Street.
You gotta exit out and you gotta come back in and hit directions again so it gets caught up with the way you're going. Get the bag. Let's go. They say I mean, I think DoorDash requires you to carry the bag, but a lot of people don't. They say it looks stupid. It's stupid, but. I think I'm at the right one. Oh, okay, sure. What was it? The number? The number is going to be YP05.
Yes, you're the right one. Just confirm it, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It doesn't feel heavy at all, so it's probably not something. I mean, it's probably just a McMuffin. Okay, let's go. See, the sun's out now. Wow, this is where the storm was. But at least it rained a little bit, cooled things off. It's only 80 degrees. Wow. Okay, so now it's telling me to go that way. It was telling me to go that way, and now it's telling me to go this way. So I had to go all the way around McDonald's and get back here, and somebody let me in. So that was easy to do, but let's go.
Drive southwest on Clear Drive. Then, in a quarter mile, turn right onto Williams Drive.
Okay, I think this is 1620. Yep. They're working on the streets everywhere.
Oh,
man,
I believe it.
Man,
I work from home, so
I couldn't even get to this road right here because the city's like right in the center of it.
They're always fixing it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.